global hot spare is an unused backup disk that is part of the disk group. Hot spares remain in standby mode. When a physical disk that is used in a virtual disk fails, the assigned hot spare is activated to replace the failed physical disk without interrupting the system or requiring your intervention. When a hot disk is activated, it rebuilds the data for all redundant virtual disks that were using the failed physical disk. One method in which to do this is via your iDRAC. Navigate to your iDRAC menu and log in using your credentials. For this example, we will be using iDRAC 9. Once you have logged into your iDRAC, select the configuration option at the top and then select Storage Configuration. When the screen is shown, firstly, check the controller that the drive is assigned to is selected here. If the correct controller is selected, click on Physical Disk Configuration from the options below. This will show the attached physical drives on the array, along with their state, capacity and media type. When you've located the unassigned drive you want to assign as a hot spare, select the action box and click on the Assign Global Hot Spare option. A warning prompt will appear when any changes are made here, but this change can still be reverted after this stage if the wrong option was selected. To finalise the action, either select Apply Now, at next reboot, or at a scheduled time. You can also discard these changes if you need to pick a different drive. And that's it, your drive should now be assigned as a global hot spare. For more methods on assigning a hot spare, check out the link in the description below, and check out the links at the end of the video for more handy tips and guides. Thanks for watching.